Hi, it's David from Davelle Clothiers. I'm excited. Our trade-in event has started. You need to be here to be a part of it. We're taking your old shirts out of your closet you're no longer wearing. We're going to give you up to $50 per shirt against any new shirt in the store per item. Same thing with a sweater. You got an old sweater you don't like? Even if a family member gave it to you, give it to Goodwill. Get your full money out of it. $59 maximum trade-in towards a brand new one from one of our beautiful sweaters here. Sorry, but the truth is they're so beautiful we're selling them like crazy at regular price. But our trade-in gives you a chance to help you remove things from your closet you're no longer wearing. It's item for item, up to $500. I hear every day people aren't wearing suits, but the new suit today is so different than the old suit of yesterday. $500 trade-in towards a new suit. $400 maximum trade-in towards a sports coat. We have it all. If you go to our website, you'll be able to go and see our trade-in values listed right there. They're item for item. It's the best event of the year. Everything in the store is on special with the trade-in. Come enjoy it. Davelle Clothiers, where we want you to look your best.